So first we're going to start off with our piece of paper and we're going to fold it into a triangle at the top so we can turn it into a square rather than a rectangle. After that, you're going to take a scissor and you're going to cut off the excess at the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to fold it over again into a smaller triangle. Now we're going to fold it one more time. You want to fold one side over about halfway, and then you're going to fold it over again so that it matches the other side. Then you're going to end up with this, and you're going to want to do the same thing as before and cut off the excess at the bottom. So right here, along that line, you're going to cut. So I repeated that step for as many snowflakes as you want to create. And then I'm cutting different shapes into them. So for this one, I'm doing triangles. And then I did some squares and circles, and you can do whatever you want. Once you're done cutting, you can pick out any pieces that were stuck. And then after that, you can unfold your piece of paper, and then you have your snowflake. And then you can repeat these steps as many times as you want to make as many snowflakes as you want. Now you can see that I finished all the snowflakes, and they all have different shapes.